Hi, welcome to Applications Guide. Today's video is about the simplest way to make intro and outro for YouTube by Intro Maker app. First you should select your template, and here in this app you have a lot of good templates. After selecting your template, it's time to begin editing. First you should write whatever you want here, like your channel name. Then you adjust the text place. After that you can change the text layout and its design, and also the animation. Same things here also. Here you can add a title in the intro if you want it. You have a lot of choices. Now you can add your stickers to the intro, so I will put subscribe sticker and adjust its size, place and duration. Now it's music time. Here you can pick any music you want for your intro, and the app offers you a lot of categories. So let's listen to this one and download it. After downloading, we add it to our intro. Last thing you can add is a picture like your channel logo. After that, it's time to make your last preview. Then export it, and we are done with this intro. And don't forget to copy those links in your video description on YouTube to avoid any copyright troubles. Now let's make outro. First you should select your outro template. After selecting it, we should start editing. Here you can add text or add a tilt or even add a sticker as you want, but I suggest that you don't add anything because it's ready to be used. But you can add your channel logo, then adjust it. The last thing and the most important thing to add is music. After adding your music, you are ready to make your last preview. Then export it. And also don't forget to copy this links to avoid any copyright issues. See you next video and tell us your opinion in comments.